In this video about special triangles, we should start with radicals to remind you. When multiplying radicals, you multiply the radicands together, simplify the radical as shown. In this video, you'll also need to know how to divide radicals. The trick here is to multiply by 1, a very special version of 1, matching the denominator. This will cause the denominator to become a whole number, and then the division can be done. There are two triangles that come up so often in math. They're called special. The long sides are the hypotenuse and the other sides are legs, of course. On the 30, 60, 90 triangle, we specify which leg is the long and short leg. These are the names of the sides. These are proportions for these triangles that you should memorize. I recommend hitting pause and memorizing or copying now. What we're going to do is we're going to use these proportions to solve other triangles. Notice, to get from here to here, we would have to divide by the square root of 2. Let's do the same thing over here. Dividing by the square root of 2 will give us x. Here's the division process we just witnessed a moment ago. Pause if you need to see detail. And now we know what x is. Here's another example. Notice in the 30, 60, 90 triangle, we'd have to divide by 2 to get from hypotenuse to short leg. Therefore, we should divide by 2 here, giving us 5. Further, notice that to get from short leg to long leg, we have to multiply by radical 3. Therefore, we should multiply by radical 3 here, giving us 5 radical 3. Here's another example. Notice in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, the two legs are the same length. Also notice to get from here to here, we have to multiply by the square root of 2 and should therefore do the same thing here. Here's the algebra. Pause if you need detail. And now we know what x is. Here's the last example. Notice to get from short leg to hypotenuse, we multiply by 2 and therefore do the same thing over here, giving us 10 radical 3. Also notice to get from short leg to long leg, we multiply by radical 3. Doing the same here will get us the answer for y. Here's the algebra. You can pause if you need it. And now we know what y is. Thank you for watching.